Hi everybody, I achieved now the fuel consumption, just a moment please, 4.4 liters per 100 kilometers, and I just passed 90 kilometers with this fuel consumption. The way was a little bit uphill and downhill, and I think that half of the time I could use fifth gear. Otherwise there was small villages and another complications which increases the fuel consumption, and I just don't know exact altitude. When I was starting I was 475 meters upon sea level. Maybe I will check it back. How great, how altitude. I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit tired. How altitude is here if it was not uphill, because I think it was maybe 200 meters uphill. So I think that this is very good, very good fuel consumption for 20 years old car with 135 kilometers on the meter. This is a petrol car, which is very interesting, and what to say, didn't use any extra electric devices, so I was sparing the fuel, and 4.4 liters is very good. It was not accurately, but I just tried to go for as lowest consumption as possible. So see you next time maybe with another car. Have a nice day, and you can hit the thumbs up if you like. If you don't like, please don't hit this. Well, and see you next time. Bye.